Ride in style and comfort with our Deluxe Leatherette seat covers. Made of the highest grade leather, these quality covers are engineered to accommodate traditional, heated, or cooled seats, are backed with 3mm of breathable foam padding, and feature a perforated center panel that disperses heat, keeping you cool and comfortable. The rear seat covers offer both solid or split bench seat options. A mesh extension is included and can be attached to cover the exposed sides. Built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including seatbelt buckles, center console, and cup holders. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. Plus, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket to keep all your personal items within an arm's reach. Treat yourself to luxury like never before with our Deluxe Leatherette seat covers. Choose from 3 standard shades and personalize your ride today.